Hello all brilliant English teachers. Let's watch the cute animation of our game first. Now let me show you how fantastic the game is. The game is very easy. Students just touch the button below to eliminate the mobs. At the same time, there would be live pronunciation so that students can memorize the words. And then students have to choose the right word in 2 options. Through the process, students can acquire the new words unawarely while playing.
Camera.
Students will score high if they pass within the time. Even the time is up, they can still finish the game with correct answers.
Demonstrate.
We also provide interfaces in 17 languages, so that students can learn 2 languages at the same time. The vocabulary include TOEFL, IELTS, TOEIC. Students can always find a level that suit them. Students can equip themselves with various tools, such as time extension, answer clue. We design the ranking billboard so that students can inspire each other to advance in levels. In the game, student can save the die as long as they get enough stars. Now is the time to learn English in a light way.